cannot fly. Okay. So prose. Children, what do you mean by this prose? Prose is nothing but lesson. Okay. Prose is lesson. And the chapter or lesson which we are going to take today is all birds cannot fly. So in this lesson we'll see which are the birds that cannot fly. Okay. So take out page number 20. So before that they have given you a short story. Okay. We'll read it out that. Read and act out this story. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. Okay, what was the tiger doing there? He was just half asleep with his half eye open. Dozing means to be half asleep. And a mosquito came buzzing by. So suddenly from somewhere mosquito came buzzing by. Buzzing means the sound which the mosquito makes. Okay, even we can feel the sound when it comes near our ear, isn't it? So even this mosquito was going near the tiger and making that buzzing sound. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." So the tiger is telling, "Hey mosquito, go away from here." Then what did the mosquito told? "Why should I afraid of you?" The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. So the tiger got angry and hit out with his paw. Paw is, what is it paw? The limbs of the tiger is called the paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. It began to bleed. So maybe the mosquito was sitting on near his cheek. So like this he did with his paw, isn't it? So the mosquito flew away and he got the hurt on his cheek. Okay, and it started bleeding. Because the paws of the tiger are very sharp, isn't it? Yes or no? Okay, so by mistake the mosquito flew away and suddenly he got a scratch on his cheek and it started to bleed. Okay, the blood was coming out from that. The tiger struck with his, the mosquito buzzed away. Again he made that buzzing sound. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. Okay. So again he used his another limb and again the mosquito flew off. The mosquito flew off. This time too he hit himself. Again from this side also he got another scratch. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. Still the mosquitoes was rounding near the tiger. Okay, still it was buzzing. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." So what he told? The tiger was helpless and he started to move from there. He didn't want to sit there. So when he was moving, the mosquito told, "Don't be so proud." Okay, everything, every creature is great in his own way. Maybe it is big or small. It is great in its own way. Okay, that was a very short story. Okay, before this lesson, now we'll move on to this lesson and we'll see which birds cannot fly. It's on page 23. All birds cannot fly. An ostrich was sitting with a gloomy face in a forest. A hen came there. The hen saw the ostrich. They talked to each other. What did they talk about? Read on. Okay. So this is a conversation between, a talk between, okay, ostrich and hen. Okay, ostrich and hen. So there was a conversation or there was a talk between this ostrich and hen. We'll see what they are talking about. The characters ostrich, hen and peacock. Even the peacock is there in this talk. Okay. Okay, these are the three birds which are talking. We will see which matter they are talking about. Hen. Good morning ostrich, how are you? So the hen is telling, "Good morning ostrich, how are you?" Ostrich morning and asking, how are you? So he is telling, I am sad. Hen, sad? Why? What's the matter? Why are you sad? So the hen is asking, why man, what is the matter? Why are you sad? The ostrich is telling, I am not happy with God. I am angry with him. So he replied that he was not happy with God. He is very angry with God. Hen, why? What did he do? So the hen is again asking, why? What did God do? Ostrich, he has given me wings, but I can't fly in the sky. Look at those birds flying high in the sky. I can't do that. So what is the ostrich telling? God has given me the wings, but I cannot fly. But look at those birds. They can fly high in the sky. Hen, oh, that's the matter. So what if you can't fly? Look at me. I am also a bird, but even I can't fly. So the hen is consoling the ostrich now. Okay. So the hen is telling, see, God has given me also wings, but I cannot fly. Ostrich, maybe, but I wish I could fly. So many other birds can fly. Boo hoo, boo hoo. I am sad. I can't fly. Hen, oh, don't worry. You can do so many things than other birds can't do. You should be proud that you are the largest and swiftest running bird. So the hen is saying, but you feel proud, you be thankful to God because you are the very largest and the swiftest bird. Okay, it is the largest and swiftest bird. At least for that you be grateful and thankful. No bird can compete with you. And yes, there is one more thing that you should be proud of. Okay. And what is the hen telling him? She is going on consoling. Okay. So don't be sad. You have to be proud. So God has given you so many advantages there. Okay. You are the largest bird. You are the swiftest bird. And one more thing is there. One more advantage is there for you. So that you can feel proud of. Peacock. Meanwhile, a peacock enters. Can you see the picture there, children? Okay. The hen, ostrich and peacock, they are having a talk there. So suddenly a peacock enters into this conversation. Hello everybody. Friend hen, you were saying that ostrich should be proud of one more thing. What's that one more thing? So the peacock is asking now. He should be proud of one more thing. What is that? Even I want to know. Hen. The ostrich lays the largest egg. Okay. It lays the largest egg. Eggs of all, they weigh many kilograms. Okay, the egg is of many kilograms. So big, so large, it lays the egg. And it should be proud of that. Ostrich, that's true, but I can't fly. I can't fly. So again, it's sticking on to that same thing. He's telling, I cannot fly. I cannot fly. Peacock, oh come on, don't be so sad. Look at me. I am a bird too, but I can fly only a few yards. Okay. I can't fly high in the sky, and you might be surprised to know, but there are many other birds who can't fly. So the peacock is telling, only for that small matter you are sitting and crying there. And see, look at me. Even I cannot fly. Only a few yards I can fly. That's it. I can't fly in the sky. Have you seen the peacock flying in the sky? No. We have not seen the peacock flying in the sky. Isn't it, children? Okay. So peacock only a few yards, few height they can fly. They can't fly more than that. Okay. Even the peacock is consoling the ostrich. So then what happened? Wiping its tears and looking surprised. Really? Many others? Can you tell me who those are? So the peacock is telling, you are sitting here sad and you can see many other birds also, they cannot fly. Okay. So the ostrich is asking, yes, tell me who are those birds now? Hen, sure. Kiwis hardly fly, they live on the snow and they are all very happy. They don't feel sad at all. So the hen is telling kiwis can't fly, penguins cannot fly, and the penguins they live on the snow, but they are very happy with what they have. Ostrich, oh, is that so? Then I'll not feel sad anymore. Jumps around with relief. Okay, now he has got some relief to his heart. Okay, now he has been consoled. Okay, because some more birds are there, those who cannot fly. These two are telling him, these two, peacock and hen, are consoling him. Okay, not to cry. You can see the other birds also, even they can't fly. So after listening to all this, the ostrich told, okay, now I'll not be sad. He was jumping around with relief. Now I am happy. Now I know all birds can't fly. Oh ho, I am happy, I am happy. Now I am happy, now I am happy. So the ostrich is running with joy, he's jumping with joy, isn't it? So he's telling, now I am happy. I know some birds also they can't fly. So God has given me so many advantages also. So we should not be selfless, isn't it? So we should not be selfish. Yes or no? We should be grateful to God. We should be thankful to God for what God has given us. Okay? So what characters we are having, what advantages we are having, other people may not have that. Okay? What privilege we hold, the other people may not hold that, isn't it? So always whatever is there with us, we have to be thankful to God. Okay, this was the story of these three birds. It was the discussion that can all the birds fly or not. Okay children, hope you all have understood this story. Thanks for